Okay. So today I would like to explain you a little bit about the patching activity as well. Okay. So patching means it is nothing but we are installing the small piece of softwares to make sure there is no bug in the available product. Either it is an operating system patching or it can be an application patching. So basically patching is nothing but installing a piece of software to make sure there is no vulnerabilities or there is no bugs in the product. Okay, either the bugs can be to avoid the hackers or vulnerabilities or mitigating the vulnerabilities, or probably to increase the performance of the application, or it can be an operating system also. Okay, so two types of patches normally we do. One is application patching, another one is operating system patching. So you may ask a questions, sir, why do we need to do the patching activity? Okay, if you are not doing the patching activity, what will happen? Okay, say every company has got their target is to release the product as soon as possible. They have to meet the deadline as soon as possible, and there should not be any breach in the deadline. So if I say, for example, you are working as a developer, you are working in the what is that in the Facebook application, maybe the story section you are developing. Okay, and you have got a 15 days of deadline. Your thing is to write the code, make the testing, and you need to publish the code within 15 days. You will not worry about the bugs and all. You will not worry about the open vulnerabilities and all. Okay, so what they will do, as a developer you will develop the application. Meantime, there is another team called as hackers. One is developer, big group of people actually. Another one is hacker. Okay, this hacker, he works actually 10 times faster than a developer, because an application will be developed by multiple people. Like Facebook is an application, maybe lakhs together people works on it, 1,000 together people works on it. But the hacker is not like that. Hacker may be a group of people, like 2 3 4 people will be working together, or an independent person will be working together. And what he will do, the application called Facebook is there, right? It's a product. So he will try to see what and all way he can, I mean, hack this application, okay, or get into the application and destroy the files and folders or the data, or if possible, I can convert that language to some other language. I will make some impact, and if any impact has happened, can I get some ransoms or maybe some benefit out of it? That's the hacker job. Okay, so we are intended to the developers are intended to release the application as soon as possible, and hacker is intended to hack somewhere. Okay, some of hack the application. So once the application is released from the developer, okay, they will be work on the next updates. Meantime, okay, this hacker is also trying to penetrate, I don't know, come into the network, and parallelly developer starts looking into the backside. Okay, is there any, anyway the application is live now, will there be any bug, is there any loophole that any hacker can get into? Okay, they will also start digging, and they will be identified 1 2 3 4 5 4 5 points. Okay, some loopholes. So what they will do, immediately the product Microsoft or maybe Facebook, they will release an KB. KB is nothing but knowledge bytes. Okay, they will release this one, 1 KB 1 2 3 4 5. So this KB 1 2 3 4 5 was released by the developer or Microsoft. If I install this application here, piece of software or application, the hacker is trying to log into this three ways, right, to penetrate the application. Those doors will be closed. This is called as mitigation. Developer develop the application, hacker trying to hack the application. Meantime, when the application goes live, the developer will start looking at what all vulnerabilities, what all loopholes are there in the application, either it can be performance or it can be security, both. They will fix that issue. That is called as patching. So this KB is nothing but the patching. Okay, if people are supporting, like talking about the support, Microsoft is not supporting Server 2012. Okay, maybe Oracle is not supporting some older versions. Support is nothing but they don't release the patches. They don't release the patches for the older versions because new advanced versions are there, and they will be always concentrating on to go with the new one, and they will tell their customers to upgrade or to migrate their application to the latest. Either it can be an operating system by from server 2012 to 2019 or 2022, you migrate. Like that they'll give. So this is called as patching activity. Okay. Now let me take you to the server and show you how to do the patching activity. Okay, and before I get into that, patching activity can be done with multiple tools. Okay, so how to do the patching activity? See, normally Microsoft releases, if I talk about the Microsoft operating system, every second Tuesday, Microsoft releases the patches. Okay, and we call it as Patch Tuesday. See, if I see the calendar here, every month, see here, every month, second Tuesday. So here, let me go to the first date. Yeah. So 6th is first Tuesday. Okay. If I go to 13th is second Tuesday. So tomorrow is the second Tuesday, Patch Tuesday for this month, August. Okay. So they will release number of patches. Okay, server 2016, these many KBs you need to install, and if you install these many KBs, this issue will be fixed, this issue will be fixed, and your performance will be increased. Like that, they will release in the Microsoft MSR website. Okay, and those patches we need to install it here. Okay, normally Tuesday, second Tuesday will be patches will be released, and as soon as the patches are released on second Tuesday, some people what they will do, they will patch their activity on Friday night, here 16th night. Okay, and they will check their application after installing the patches. How is my application is behaving? Is it consuming too much of CPU memory? Okay, is it getting frequently restarted? Is there any application crash has happened? All the study will happen on up to Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. It depends on your organization. If your organization has got 3 application servers for the Facebook, one is development, another one is testing, another one is production. So in the development they will install the patches first, or in the testing environment they will install the patches first. They will run the application, all the load tests, performance tests, everything they will check for 1 or 2 days. If there is no issue comes, then they will plan the production on 23rd of next Friday. Either Friday evening or Saturday they will do the patching. Weekends only we will do the patching normally. Second Saturday or third Saturday they will do the patching activity. Okay, if somebody asks you, you can tell. In our cases we will do the test environment on second Saturday, and third Saturday we will do the production patching, because we wanted to understand is there any issue or not. If there is no issue, we can straight away go and install the application or patches in the production environment. Okay, now we learned about second Tuesday and patch Tuesday and all. How to do the patching activity? So there are multiple tools actually. Okay, one is we have Microsoft built-in package, that is Windows Software Update Services, WSUS. Okay, Windows Software Update Service. Okay, this is a built-in service. It's a free tool given by Microsoft. Okay, you will configure a WSUS server, and you will enable the connection between your Microsoft server and this server, so that whenever there is a new patches got released, they will get downloaded and be sitting in the WSUS. You will log into the WSUS server, and approve what all KBs. You will search the KB, this KB 1 2 3 4 5, and you will say install this KB to all my production and test and regression whatever environment you wanted. And in the group policy you can define, okay, what time the installation has to happen. It is if the third Saturday by 12 o'clock, install the available KBs, or whether you want to restart or you want to manually restart, you can define those things there. Okay, so one is WSS, another one is SCM, System Center Configuration Manager. Configuration Manager. So this tool, it is a license based tool per system. If your 100 servers are there, 100 license you need to purchase. It is a chargeable service. Chargeable service, okay, and it is license based. License based, and it will also help you not only the patching, it will also help you for packaging. Packaging means, say for example, you want to install one application in all the 100 servers. You create a package, what is the application, what time you need to install, which directory you need to install, what configuration you have to make. You create that as a package and publish it, and you tell Saturday midnight 12 o'clock start installation. So this will go and install that package in all the 100 servers or number of servers you have in it in the estate. So that is called as packaging. So now you learned about patching. Patching means what? It's a piece of software that we are installing it in the server. Either that patch can be applicable for a application or the operating system. Why do we need? We need to mitigate the vulnerabilities, or we need to fix the bug which is there in the application, or we need to increase the system performance. That is the reason we do patching. How do we do patching? There are multiple tools are there in the market. One is Windows Software Update Services, another one is SCM. So Windows Update Software Update Services and SCM both are Microsoft product only, but WSUS is free tool. There is no license, there is no charge for it. It comes with the operating system. Next one is SCM. It's the Microsoft proprietary. It's a chargeable service. Okay, it's based on the licenses, and this will also support, along with the patching, it will also support packaging. Okay, now this is what the patching activity. Now if I don't have these tools, how can I do the patching activity manually? So I will show you how to install and uninstall the patches in the servers. Okay, I'll take you to the DC01. Okay, go to the server, and here in the search bar settings, here in the settings search bar, you can search Windows Update. If I go to settings, you see here update security, click on that. You see here, as soon as I click on the update security, I can see there are multiple KBs. See, KB 2267602, okay, KB 8908330, KB 5404056, KB 4103723. How to install? It's very simple. If you just click on install, this will get download and it will install, restart, and the machine comes up. If you want to see already whether how which got installed, update history, you can, there is no history because we have not installed anything, but after the installation you can see. Okay, you can see all the installed things here. If you want to uninstall something, select that installed one and click on uninstall like this. If you go here, it will see KB, click on it, and you can uninstall a program. Okay, now I will not show you that. What I will do now, I will show you how to install a KB. Okay, so because we are concentrating on the installation. Click on install. Preparing to install update 0%. It will try to prepare and then it will install the KB and restart the machine. It will take minimum 30 minutes. Minimum 30 minutes, maximum up to 2 hours it will take. Okay, that is why we will plan during night time. Okay, and depends on the KBs actually. Okay, how big the KBs are. One KB will be like 1.5 GB, 2 GB will be there. Okay, so it has to get downloaded and it has to get installed and start the services. All this activity will happen in the backend. Okay, so what we can do, we can wait for this completion and then we will see how it looks like and all. But basically this is how we do the patching activity. It is in progress. It is started installed 11% now. We need to wait till this 100% completion, and after that the server gets restarted and we can see all the KB installation completed. It is now completed 100% and it is asking me to restart. What I'll do, I'll just show you the update history and then restart the. I think update history can be seen only after the restart. Okay, so I think I need to restart the server now. I will restart. So this is how you can do the patching activity. Okay, thanks all.